Hey, attorneys, do you know how to take warm leads that come to your website and make them even warmer? I'm Anita Tallman at Social Firestarter, and I just want to go over a way to make your leads even better than what they are when they come to your site. That is one thing you don't have to worry about is cold leads, right? I mean, you're not going out and calling people and trying to see if they have like if you're a personal injury, if they have anything that hurts them, and if so, if they can blame somebody else for it. You're not going out and trying to solicit business. What you have, hopefully by now, is a website where you've got traffic coming to your site. That traffic that you have coming into your site, well, those are warm leads, right? I mean, they're only coming there because they have a problem that they're looking for a solution. So, what can you do to help that warm lead become even warmer? And that is to provide a solution to their problem. People are coming to your site because, yeah, they're in a process of thinking that they need to hire an attorney, but they're also looking for solutions. They're doing research, they're trying to figure out what they should do next. So, this is what I suggest that you do. You need to put something on your website, something like a e-magnet, or more specifically, something like a cheat sheet that will give them solutions to whatever their problem is. So you got to figure out what your a problem is that you want to create a solution for. Are you trying to have, if you're an estate planning attorney, you're trying to help a visitor coming to your site to avoid probate court? Are you trying to help somebody who has been pulled over by a DUI for the second time and they're not sure what they should do next? Are you trying to help somebody who is contemplating divorce? They have young kids, they're worried about visitation, and they're also worried about spousal support. So think about a problem that a potential client has when they come to your website, and then think about what the solution would be. Hopefully, that's the easier part because you have all the solutions already. And then what I want you to do is to create some kind of a list, a cheat sheet that someone can download after they've given you an email address, of course, from your website. Because now what you're doing is you're providing them an answer to the problem that they have. Put out that cheat sheet, have them download it after they've inputted an email address. And now what are you going to do? Well, you've got an email address of not just a warm client, but a very warm to maybe even a hot client. Someone who is ready, they have a problem, otherwise, they would never have downloaded your cheat sheet, and they are probably in the position to hire and need an attorney. So now what you want to do is take that email and you want to target them. How you target them? Well, there's a lot of different ways you can target them. You can send videos to them. You can send an email to them. You can actually say, hey, I noticed that you have an issue with a second DUI that you've gotten and you're trying to figure out what you need to do next. I hope my cheat sheet has helped you out. If there's any additional assistance I can give you, then, feel free to reach out and, put your email address in there, put maybe a link out to your Facebook group. I mean, whatever you want to do to retarget them using that email address. But first, what I want you to understand is how you create or how you convert that warm lead into a very warm to hot lead. And that is have a good e-magnet on your website that provides a solution. Because remember, having information on your site that's all about you, no one cares. What they want is a solution to your problem. So be that person, be that resource. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.